Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, back with another video. So today's video will be the new theme and the quest. Apparently there is a quest. I'm in a beach theme, so yeah. Play now? Where do we start? Where the... Oh. Let's start by cleaning up Ms. Baby Star Planet. Pick up 5 plastic bottles to prevent them ending up in the ocean. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3. I can't find the rest of these. Has been used to then. Okay, where the frick are they? Oh, they're right here. Yay! Let's go to looks. We'll just use her. Last one. One more after this. When cleaning the ocean is important. Okay. Let's make this a look because definitely I want to make this a look. I haven't made it yet. The last one. It's important. Okay. Buy something. Will do. Okay, now I can go look at the new theme. I'm so excited. I have myself on high, so I haven't seen it at all. Closing my eyes right now. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Any VIP hair we're gonna have? I just looked through it at first. No VIP hair, I think. This is so cute though. Kind of, not really, I don't know. I don't know. Sunkissed. I'm trying to find this blue. I think I found it. And I just do white. Okay, now the shorts, if they have any, they have to have like something. I don't know. That hair's cute, but I'm good. I still don't know about these shorts though. Oh my lord. Oof. I think that's the last page, yep. I think I just buy some different shorts because I'm not digging these. Sadly, I'm super sorry. Yeah, no. Or maybe this. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking hard. Why is it so hard though? Okay, that looks too good. Okay, that'll have to do. Oh, I just hate it. Oh my gosh. I'll just buy the bracelet. When the heck did I get 28K? Oh, okay. Now let's make this an outfit. Sorry guys, I'm like currently very tired. Yeah. Definitely need some different pants. Maybe just like some white shorts with like high-waisted. Maybe that. I like that. It's cute. So let's do some accessories so I don't look a little weird. I look such like a mom right now, for real. Oh yeah, I need that thicky nicky eyeliner, you know. Okay, you're done. I look such like a mom, guys. Oh my gosh, yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this look, and then I'm gonna end the video because. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe, you know, the stuff. Yeah, the stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Oof. Bye, loves.